Ryan Sorba was speaking at Smith College last week about his upcoming book, The Born Gay Hoax, when gay protesters took over, shouting, "We're here, we're queer, get used to it." An example, some say, of how militant gay activists have hijacked public debate on homosexuality, especially the idea that a person can change.
A person may not be happy being gay. I mean, has anyone ever thought of that?
David is 34, afraid of being harassed by gays, he told us, if he were to be identified. He says he wanted out of the gay lifestyle that contradicted his faith and left him feeling empty. So he underwent so-called reparative therapy.
I'm working on becoming more heterosexual.
Is that possible?
I believe that it is possible. I believe feelings can change, and I found feelings to change.
No matter how much I prayed, no matter how much I believed that God would deliver me or make me straight, it never happened.
Scott Melendez has a whole different view.
I finally just realized that God loved me exactly the way I am, and that He didn't make a mistake.
In 1973, the mainstream scientific community declared homosexuality should no longer be considered a mental disorder. It now warns that trying to change can leave a person confused and depressed.
There's no credible scientific evidence that one can change a sexual orientation.
But scientists still don't know why a person is gay.
There's actually been no definitive scientific studies to decide what causes homosexuality.
So the debate rages on, websites touting programs to help people go straight or at least learn to control same-sex impulses. But others blast ex-gay methods as futile and ridiculous.
Like a smoker trying to quit smoking, my ex-gay therapist told me to snap this rubber band every time I saw a guy that I was attracted to.
It destroys people, it shatters family, it ruins lives, and it's being promoted by right-wing political groups.
But with many struggling between feelings and faith, and absent hard science, many still maintain homosexuality is triggered by childhood abuse or poor relationships, and the people should be free to choose which path to take.
Homosexual activists are talking about personal choice, freedom, and so forth, but they deny personal choice and freedom for those who wish to seek change.
A path so personal, many say, no one should be allowed to decide for them.